Hi everyone, welcome to Website Training Module 6, Account Information. For this module, I'm going to be running through what's available on the website in terms of account information. I'll explain all the account pages and functions we have, including item history and the saved cart function. I didn't mention this at the start of the other training modules. It's pretty intuitive and you'll all be reminded, but I now have a little sign saying it. These are internal videos only. I might say something that's only for internal eyes and ears, so I will actually be developing external website videos that you'll be able to really readily and easily share with customers, but these ones are only internal training videos, so please do not share them or show them to anyone outside of our company. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm logged in as me, but this time I'm not logged in as my admin. I'm logged in and connected up to the Edmonton Distribution Centre as if I'm a regular customer. That way, so everything in the account section will be seen and shown as a customer would see it. And that is a customer who is connected to their business account and logged in to the correct account as we went through in Module 1. So to get to the account section, it's always up here. You've got logout, account, and cart. Those things always stay in the top right-hand corner of the screen. So if you click account, this takes us to the account section of the website, which I sometimes refer to as the My Account section. Okay, so you default land on the order history page of the My Account section, which is fine. That's where you end up. It's top of the list over here. The easiest way to navigate through the My Account section is by clicking on the titles over here. We've had the update now, so whenever there's a link, if you hover over it, it will go blue. So that's how we know that these are clickable items to select. So and also at the top is the order history page, and on quite a few different pages, you'll see the request price list function. So the order history, this is Edmonton Distribution Centre. This is the order history section of it. You can view an order. It says if it's on hold or shipped, the quantity of the order. You can click reorder. These are pretty good. The order history page is pretty concrete in terms of the information on it. It does rely on data replication, which I've spoken about and will continue to speak about throughout the modules. So it's not going to be as accurate as X3. One day it will be, one day shortly, but right now not as accurate as X3. So if people are wanting their order history and whatnot, then that is still the best place to find it. But this is for customers' eyes, and it's a good tool. And the next is save carts. I'm going to show you how to save something into your cart, so we'll circle back to that one. My favorites, we discussed in a previous module how to use the My Favorites. I think we used that in Module 4 searching. We went through that. No, Module 3 navigation. Go back to Module 3 navigation if you don't know what My Favorites is, but you should by now because you're up to a later module. So if you click here, this is where another way to access all your favorites are. I don't have any favorites at the moment, so there's currently no items in the list, but they'll all be listed really nicely here for you. So that's a way to find them. Active promotions is where when we have promo codes up and running and we want everyone to know the promotion, they will go here. A lot of the times when we use promo codes, they're going to be dependent on someone seeing a post on Instagram or reading a particular email campaign, so not everyone's going to know the promo code. So only when we want everyone to default know the promotion will it live here. At the moment, that's not up and running yet, so there's nothing here, but there will be at some point. Auto order is a nice feature where it goes through your item history, so the individual items that you've ordered in the past, and it's a really quick way to add them straight to your cart. So if you order a similar 5 products and you're not using the saved cart feature because you order them in different quantities and different, mix and match them often, so the saved cart isn't as quick for you, you can come here, and if there's, if a customer has 10 different products that they frequently order, you can come go, change your quantity, quick add it to the cart, change your quantity, quick add it to the cart. And that's a really quick way for them to build up their cart without having to do any searching, any filtering. So that's a good one to tell people about. Invoices. So invoices at the moment on the website, we're having some trouble with them. Some people can see them fine, and a lot of them have the accurate status and the accurate total, but not all of them are itemized. And when I say itemized, it's not showing the individual products that were ordered, which is obviously having them itemized is why you have invoices and one of the purposes of them. So that's something we're working on getting fixed and should be fixed mid-July. So I will communicate very clearly when I know that's 100% and I'm happy with it, because I'll be telling you to tell people, I will be telling the customers myself as well. So you will know when that's up and running. But at the moment, it works for some people, not for others, which is my issue with data replication. My credit cards, we're not paying by credit card yet on the website. Something else is coming soonish. When it is, people will be able to save their credit card information on the website, just like you can with a bunch of other, e-commerce websites. So that function will be coming soon. User preferences. This is where you go if you need to change your password. This is really important to let customers know, they don't have, if they want to change their password, if they've got an admin email account, that's their business account, connect on the website. It's an admin email, like admin@upholstery.com. And someone new comes into the business, someone else leaves, for whatever reason they want to change the password, they can do it here. So the email is grayed out. This is your account username, which is always the same as the email. And we did that on purpose to save headaches. And then just change the password here. Very simple way to do it. You can also change the email. We prefer people not to change their emails. We like the usernames and emails to be the same on the website. It's easier for everyone, for them, you, and me. Okay, and then address book. Here is something that there were a couple questions about, in the last training sessions I did. So when you go through the checkout, which was covered in Module 5, there's a spot to change your shipping address.